What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Superbad.
Oh, why is that?
It's the funniest movie that I've ever seen.
That's true. It is a very funny movie.
You've seen it before?
Yes, I saw that movie the first day it came out in theaters.
Didn't you laugh through the whole movie? I did.
Me too. That movie brought tears to my eyes.
Mine too.
I have it on DVD at my house if you want to come over and watch it.
Sure, let's go.
Which movie is your favorite to watch?
I have to say my favorite movie is Superbad.
Is that right? Why?
Honestly, it is one of the funniest movies I've seen in a long time.
You're right. That movie is hilarious.
I didn't think you saw that movie.
I went to see it the day it came out.
I was laughing through the whole movie.
I couldn't help laughing either.
Same here.
I bought the movie. Would you like to come to my house and watch it?
Of course.
Out of every movie that you've seen, which one is your favorite?
I'm going to have to say that Superbad is the best movie ever.
You think so? How come?
Well, Superbad is super funny.
You're not lying? I found that movie absolutely hilarious.
I didn't know that you saw Superbad before.
I made sure to be in line to see it the first day it came out.
I couldn't keep from laughing throughout the whole movie.
I was laughing hysterically the whole time. My stomach muscles hurt afterwards.
That's exactly how I felt.
I got the movie when it came out on DVD. Do you want to come over?
I would love to.